So friend, Apple is expected to introduce its next generation iPhone 17 series in early September 2025. According to multiple industry leaks and analyst projections, the company is reportedly set to release 4 versions: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and a new iterant named iPhone 17 Air. Apple is believed to be phasing out the Plus variant, and consistent with its annual schedule, Apple is expected to hold its iPhone event during the second week of September. Historically, patterns and marketing timing suggest the announcement could take place on September 9 or 10. Pre-orders typically follow the same week, with retail availability starting the week after. The timing is crucial for Apple, especially in India, where an early festive season may influence launch strategies. Initially, pricing leaks suggest the base iPhone 17 could retail in India at approximately ₹89,900, and the US version may begin at $899. Although this points to a slight price increase compared to the iPhone 16, and Apple may choose to maintain current pricing to counterbalance inflation and supply disruptions. Apple is anticipated to double the resolution of the front-facing camera from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel across the iPhone 17 series, and rear camera upgrades include a 48 megapixel main sensor for the base variant, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is likely to feature a triple lens setup, each 48 megapixel covering wide, ultra-wide, and a telephoto modes. The high-end variant may also support 8K video recording, and all the 4 models are rumored to integrate 120Hz ProMotion technology, extending high refresh rates beyond just the Pro edition for the first time. And this shift is expected due to Apple's use of LTPO OLED display across the lineup. While LTPO technology can support always-on functionality, it remains uncertain whether this feature will be standard across all models. Each iPhone 17 variant is likely to ship with iOS 26 pre-installed. Leaks hint at expanded AI features built into the operating system, continuing Apple's recent focus on enhancing user experience through machine learning. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.